What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Nia Lachey, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that set of nails that you just saw. I have started doing nails in school, and I'm trying to see like which channel should I upload on. So I am going to start uploading some nail videos on this channel because that's what's mostly taking up my time right now. I have taken a pause on makeup, but I do have a passion for nails, so hopefully I will be more consistent with these kind of videos. So IGel Beauty was having a sale on on polishes period. They're having a 60% off sale, so I grabbed some of those. Those are the colors that you saw, and I used the matte top coat, but I am showing you guys the acrylic application first. I'm using the Novo Nails acrylic powder in Pinker Pink and their monomer. And I got this practiced hand off of Amazon. I will leave the link down below. And this is a number 10 brush that I got from my local nail supply store. Personally, I do not like straight tips. I like my nails to curve a little bit. I just don't like how the straight tips look. So yeah, I did double tip the nails as well, but yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I do my acrylic application using the belly of the brush to flatten it out and make sure it is thick enough and has that nice apex. So here I'm using the Melody Susie Scarlet E-File nail drill, whatever you want to call it, and some ceramic tools to smoothen everything out. And then I'm going in with a 180 file to add some shape. These are the colors that I'm using. I will leave the link down below to the colors. And that part looks like that because it was, on time lapse, but I slowed it down a little bit so you guys can try to see the names, but I will leave them down below. So like I said, I had just got these polishes. This was my first time using them. So the orange and the yellow look really bad because I didn't put a base coat or white or anything. I just went straight in with the colors. But yeah, I would recommend either using a base coat first or maybe using white first so that you won't need as many layers of the polish. Then in that bottle right there is some acetone, and I'm using my cleanup brush to clean around the nail because that's what you would do on a regular client so you don't have gel polish on their fingers. So you guys don't mind that I am changing up my content. I'm sorry that I keep taking breaks. I honestly have been losing my interest in doing YouTube videos, for one, because I don't have my own camera and I hate having to delete every single app on my phone just to record. And for two, I just don't know what I want to record anymore. But like I said, I've had a passion for nails for the longest. And now that I'm in school and actually know what I'm doing and, you know, getting more products and stuff like that, then I want to show you guys my journey. So that might be, like, nail videos might become the only thing that I upload on my channel. And like, if you don't like that, then I'm sorry, but that's my passion as of right now. So I'm cured that in the light to set that. Now I'm gonna go in with the whitest white from Nova Nails. Excuse my hair. Wow, it was so embarrassing. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with that acrylic powder, and I'm using a 3D nail art brush to create some 3D flowers on this glitter nail. And basically you just want to grab little beads and push down like in the center of the bead, and then like use the side of the brush to drag it out towards the middle. So place the bead, press down in the middle, and then use the sides to drag it in and make it smaller, like towards the middle of the bead. And I am turning the brush to the side to make that little dent in the middle. So again, pat it down in the middle, turn it to the side to make the little dent, pat it down, and then make it smaller towards the middle of the bead. By the way, I do have an Instagram account for my nails. It is honeybeauty._. I'll put it on the screen. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. Send me some suggestions of designs that you guys want me to do or would like to see, and I would be happy to do them for y'all. So a little bit of the video did get cut off because, you know, like I said, I had to keep clearing up space on my phone for storage. But I just applied the gel polishes in the middle, or like on the dent of the flower, and I put it on this like Geode Coaster that I was gifted. I'll put her Instagram on the screen and website down in the description bar if you guys are interested. But yeah, I cured that and then applied a second coat so that, you know, they're more vibrant. So here I'm using the Novu Nail resin to apply my diamonds. Usually, like on clients, I do not use resin because it dries way too fast, and I like to be able to, move stuff around and stuff like that. But with the resin, it dries way too fast, so I just use it on my practice hand to like use it up. I'm not just gonna throw it away. And then these crystals I got off Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. To be honest, I don't really like them because they like fade off after a while, so that's why I'm using them on my practice hand. I wouldn't use these on clients because I know that they suck. But I have more crystals like this anyway that don't fade, so I don't really care. Or you can use them for makeup as well, like on your face. But I wouldn't use them on regular clients, and neither would I use this gel resin, so that's why I don't really care about using it on the practice hand. I was actually kind of rushing because I was running out of storage and I didn't have much else to delete off my phone. So I was really just trying to rush and get the crystals on there. I wasn't trying to perfect them or make them like super duper, precise like I would on a client. I'm sorry that I keep putting my big head in the camera. But yeah, so if it was on a regular client, then of course I would take my time and get it right, but I wasn't really too worried about it. So like I said, the resin dries really fast, and at that point I had to go back to my phone and delete more stuff. So I had to reapply the resin on this nail. And usually like on a client, I would, apply some caviar beads around the stones, or apply like more stones to make a better looking design. But like I said, I was just trying to rush to actually finish the set and finish the video before I didn't have any more space. Alright, you guys, I did go in with a matte top coat to cure, and this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Stay sweet, stay blessed. Bye, guys.